You're using your AirPods Pro 3 wrong, and it's costing you the best audio experience of your life. I'm about to show you every hidden feature Apple doesn't tell you about in their marketing. Look, I get it. You unboxed these premium earbuds, paired them to your iPhone, and thought you were done. But you're barely scratching the surface of what these can do. Most people waste hundreds of dollars because they never unlock the true potential sitting right in their ears. Let's start with the basics that'll change everything. First, open your Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on the AirPods Pro option. This is your command center, and most people never even visit this screen. You'll see your AirPods Pro 3 listed with that distinctive battery indicator showing both earbuds and the case. Now here's step 1 that changes everything. Tap on Adaptive Audio. According to Apple's iOS 19 documentation released in January 2026, this feature uses machine learning to automatically adjust your noise control based on your environment. It's not just on or off anymore. Your AirPods are literally learning your daily routine and adapting in real time. Step 2 is mastering the new pressure sensor controls. See that force sensor on the stem? Apple redesigned this completely for the Pro 3. Press and hold to cycle through active noise cancellation, adaptive audio, and transparency modes. But here's the secret: you can customize these controls individually for each earbud. Go back to that AirPods settings screen and tap press and hold. Set your left earbud for Siri and your right for noise control. Game changer. Step 3 involves the conversation awareness feature. This is pure magic. When someone starts talking to you, your AirPods Pro 3 automatically lower your music volume and enhance their voice. The H3 chip inside uses advanced beamforming to detect speech patterns. In your AirPods settings, make sure conversation awareness is enabled. Trust me on this one. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, and there's so much more coming about maximizing your Apple ecosystem. Now let's dive deeper into the features that separate pros from beginners. Step 4 is optimizing spatial audio with head tracking. Open your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Long press the volume slider, and you'll see spatial audio options. The Pro 3 now includes enhanced spatial audio, which according to Apple's March 2026 update, creates a three-dimensional soundscape that adapts to your head movements with incredible precision. Step 5 focuses on the new health integration features. Open your Health app and navigate to the Hearing section. Your AirPods Pro 3 are constantly monitoring your audio exposure and can alert you when you're approaching unsafe listening levels. But here's what's revolutionary: they now include tinnitus detection. Per recent Stanford medical research cited in Apple's health documentation, early detection can prevent long-term hearing damage. Step 6 unlocks the battery intelligence system. Double-tap your lock screen and look for the battery widget. Your AirPods Pro 3 display not just current battery levels, but predictive usage time based on your listening habits. The case now supports MagSafe, USB-C, and Apple's new wireless PowerShare technology. Place it on the back of your iPhone 16 or later, and your phone becomes a wireless charger. Here's step 7 that blows people's minds. Open Find My app and select your AirPods Pro 3. The new Ultra Precision Finding uses the U2 chip to guide you within 1 inch of your lost earbuds. But activate separation alerts in the Find My settings, and your iPhone will notify you the moment you walk away without them. I can't tell you how many people have thanked me for this tip alone. Step 8 revolutionizes your calling experience. In phone settings, enable voice isolation for AirPods. The Pro 3 includes 6 microphones with AI-powered wind noise reduction. According to Zoom's compatibility report from February 2026, these provide studio-quality call audio that rivals professional broadcasting equipment. Now for the pro tips that put you in the top 1% of users. Enable automatic switching in your Bluetooth settings across all your Apple devices. Your AirPods Pro 3 seamlessly move between your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV based on where you're actively consuming content. The H3 chip makes switching instant and intelligent. Here's a hidden feature in the accessibility settings: audio accommodations. Your AirPods can amplify soft sounds, adjust frequencies for hearing differences, and even enhance speech clarity. This isn't just for hearing impairment, it's audio personalization at the molecular level. The Announce Notifications feature is incredible for productivity. Your AirPods will speak your messages, emails, and alerts in Siri's voice. You can reply without touching your device. Enable this in Settings, then Siri and Search, then Announce Notifications. For fitness enthusiasts, enable workout audio in the Fitness app settings. Your AirPods Pro 3 automatically adjust EQ settings based on your heart rate and exercise intensity. They know when you're warming up, hitting peak performance, or cooling down. The sound recognition feature can identify smoke alarms, sirens, or crying babies even while you're listening to music. This safety feature runs continuously in the background and can send alerts to emergency contacts. Here's my favorite advanced trick: custom EQ settings through the Music app. Go to Settings, Music, then EQ. The Pro 3 supports adaptive EQ that automatically tunes music to your ear shape using the internal microphones. It's like having a personal sound engineer. Battery health optimization is crucial for longevity. Enable optimized battery charging in your AirPods settings. Machine learning studies your charging routine and delays charging past 80% until you need to use them. This extends battery lifespan significantly. The new Transparency Plus mode deserves special mention. It doesn't just let outside sound in, it enhances important sounds like car horns or announcements while filtering out distracting background noise. This selective transparency is perfect for urban environments. For content creators, enable Studio mode in your audio settings. This provides flat, uncolored audio perfect for video editing or music production. Most people don't realize their AirPods can serve as legitimate professional monitoring tools. Finally, set up multiple devices seamlessly using universal control. Your AirPods Pro 3 can connect to up to 8 devices simultaneously and intelligently route audio based on context. Answer a call on your iPhone while watching Netflix on your iPad, it just works. Remember, technology should enhance your life, not complicate it. These AirPods Pro 3 features help you navigate your tech journey with confidence, unlocking capabilities you never knew existed. Master these settings, and you'll experience audio the way Apple's engineers intended. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that transform how you use technology. Drop a comment telling me which feature surprised you most. I read every single one and use your feedback for future videos.